G'day folks, welcome to PMQ 608, Managing the Project. I am Steve, I'm going to be your unit coordinator and OLA this teaching period. In this unit we're going to look at managing a program of work. We're going to look at both the Project Management Institution Standard Managing a Program and also the UK Office of Government Commerce Managing Successful Program standards. We're going to spend a lot of time on how to put a program together, how to manage the resources. We're going to look at benefit realization, and we're going to look at operational readiness. In terms of assessment, there's 3 assignments. First one is a weekly short question that feeds directly into your second assignment. The second assignment is a group assignment where we'll write a program plan for a multinational mining operation. And the third one is, sadly, in most remote locations, in remote countries, sometimes things go wrong, so you'll be asked to write a recovery plan for something that's gone wrong. In terms of me, I've been around a long time. I've run many projects and programs of work. Once worked it out, about $2.5 billion worth of work delivered. I've also spent a lot of time during those engagements mentoring and coaching and training junior project managers, and I've spent about 15 years teaching project management in various places at master's level on a part-time basis. So I look forward to working with you all over the next coming weeks, and I'm sure we'll have fun. Good luck.